We also have radical mechanisms. We have homolysis. These are the elementary steps. That's where radicals form. And then you have radical coupling where they combine. And this is the opposite of homolysis. Then you have radical addition. And in a case like that, you start with a radical and end with a radical. And then the other one is SH2, the substitution. And those are the four mechanisms. Now you have usually for a radical mechanism you have three main stages: initiation, which is going to be homolysis, propagation, is a cycle of addition and SH2, and then termination, coupling. So now I'd like you to have a go at writing out the mechanism for the addition of HBr to an alkene, which I'll put on the board next. So I want you to do these three mechanisms here, and then we'll go through those. So this is the acid catalyzed hydration of the alkene, the simple addition type. This is the formation of the carbene, from the carbene formation of the cyclopropane. That's via a cyclic reaction where we form this three-membered ring. That's similar to the mercury one I covered earlier. And then the radical one, that's a lot more work. Initiation, the homolysis to form the radical, then this SH2 to get it into the Br dot. And the propagation steps, which in this particular case, radical addition and SH2, and then the termination is any two, which I never showed them, arrows, any two radicals combined via radical coupling. Okay, any questions? Yes.
So for another example for coupling with that, could it be like COBUO those two? Could that?
You could have, yeah, two of these could combine and reform the initiator, yeah.
Okay.
And almost any combination. Okay, so that's the last step. After you hydrate an alkyne, you get an enol type system like this. That's either with Hg2 plus and H2SO4 and water on an alkyne gives the Markovnikov product, or it could be the Cia2BH followed by NaOH and H2O2 gives you the aldehyde. You can write actually a base catalyzed mechanism for this, where you remove this H first and then protonate over here afterwards. That goes via a minus ion rather than via a plus ion. I've shown you the acid catalyzed one, which is what